So as y'all can see on NQ, we took out previous day low on both, tapping into a daily fair value gap. Turn on our session, go to the 4 hour fair value gap, swap these 4 hour lows, ES is pushing way harder than NQ is. Pushing to the downside way harder than NQ is. NQ is making a push back to the upside. Took out equal lows over here. Took out equal lows. There's no lows over here. Go down to the 45 minute. We already took out London high and London lows. Made equal high at Asia session. Nah, we actually swept Asian session highs. Price took out external range liquidity down here, potentially making a move back up to maybe even all-time highs, honestly. Since we already took out Asia highs, already could definitely target pre-market highs as well. Was there news today? Let me see. See if there was any news today. There probably was. Thursday. I don't even know. Let's see. Thursday, there's PPI. And then Trump speaks. So, yeah, we're all ready to go. It's PPI. Took out external range liquidity. Definitely feel like we can make a move back to opposing external range liquidity. Maybe this right here, definitely up here, and then the beginning of this fair value gap. NQ is almost already there, so we'll see what can transpire from this. So I think I'm definitely willing to take buys here. Could potentially just overall be a high resistance day, but we'll see. We can get broke 5 minute structure, change the character, all that. We got everything confirming bullish here. Everything looking bullish as of right now. Do we have 5 minute SMT anywhere? I wouldn't have thought so. Alright, so at 9:30 open, price never came out and took out any internal range liquidity, so we're definitely going to be looking for a move back lower before we can continue to buy. ES could definitely take out these lows, and then we get an SMT. That would also be valid. We would simply just target, I'm pretty sure this is data highs right here. Yeah, so we literally just target data highs for first TP, second TP, 1 hour fair value gap, third TP, all-time highs. Now let's find some more. That's pretty large range right there. Got this 15 minute fair value gap. Fair value gap right there. Got a 5 minute right here. 5 minute high. That 5 minute high, so these are good zones. Just waiting for price to retrace, take out these lows, take out some form of internal range liquidity, and then we can anticipate a move higher. I would like to wait before 9:50 to take a trade, but
connection lost.
if price just keeps running, then gonna get an entry, obviously. Not gonna rush anything, definitely. I've been just digging myself on those accounts. Bruh, computer just freeze, bro. Oh, my computer's wilding right now. Let's close out trading view. My computer froze on me, bro. My computer's hot as fuck. Oh my gosh. Alright, now I went over what we're waiting for. Now all we have to do is just wait for it. We also have this 1 minute fair value gap right here. This is a short term low that we could potentially see price, sweep this, respect this, and then continue higher. So we're gonna analyze this right here. Like I said, we want to wait about 10 minutes for the 950 macro to open. For this one, hopefully. So it's probably what we're gonna be waiting for, just to give price an opportunity to fake other people out, so we can get in these buys right here. Because we still have like a pretty decent RR. So even if we were to enter like somewhere up here, never mind, I lied. So it's pretty shitty, but take a little bit of profit off at like 1.3R, 1 to 1.3R, I guess, and then let the rest run. Like, bro, I'll probably take off like 33%, not 50% or something crazy like that. There's just so much, like, so many gaps, you know what I'm saying? Just so many gaps. But let's go ahead and mark out those levels on ES2, so we can take profit if ES somehow just totally flips NQ. I doubt it would, but it's always good to have those levels marked out on your charts, so you can get a full view of what's going on. Let's not get it twisted too. We also have this 5-minute fair value gap that we can enter off of as well. So we do have this 5-minute fair value gap. Yeah, got a 5-minute FVG right here too. That could definitely be an entry point. I would just like to see price maybe make the lower time frame market structure, something like this. And then maybe we get a fair value gap entry so we can put our stops right here and like try to get a better RR. It's just so ass right now. There's just not much we can do for that risk to reward right there. It's just pretty ass. So we'll probably see if we can get an entry or something. Can't really take ES, bro, because ES isn't moving. Definitely some BS would happen with that. You get wicked out, but NQ just totally drakes all the way to data highs. That hurt. That hurt real bad. I made a mistake yesterday, and technically speaking, I should be withdrawing. But I don't want to withdraw. So, I don't even know. I don't want to withdraw. If you guys been keeping up on Instagram, which I doubt, we would have been at probably like 8,600 on this account. But from the mistake we made, we're only at like 7 bands. But charges to the game, charges to the game. Water, bro. My only thing is there's like no SMTs anywhere. Like these things are literally mirror images of each other today. Just mirror images, bro. And you know what I'm saying? Like there's a lot of resistance to get past on ES. But we just seem to be completely disrespecting all of it, so maybe I shouldn't even worry about it, huh? Maybe I shouldn't even worry about it. Alright. NQ and ES are finally starting to break. Break to the upside. Definitely time to start, looking for some sort of entry here. Obviously look for some sort of entry. So we've been breaking market structure to the upside. Have this fair value gap forming right here. Now if price closes like this, we want to see another bullish candle. Respect this. Alright, it's finally 9:50. Hopefully Bryce can fill this FVG right here. It usually doesn't, but potentially enter off the 5-minute though. There you go. Go down, tap into the fair value gap. Just go down, tap into the fair value gap. And we'll be good. Take a continuation. Oh, never mind. That's not gonna happen. Bro, price does not like move efficiently during New York session, bro. Jeez. There's like never been a time, but we're just gonna keep pumping. Here we go. Come on, man. No entry anywhere, bro. Man. Do what you usually do. Don't just go straight to the target. You always come back down, maybe to this 5-minute even. That's fine, but however you want to play it, buddy. However you want to play it. Just totally running. It's cool too. More for anybody who caught those. It was a good trade. Price is definitely gonna come out for all-time highs now. Definitely gonna come for all-time highs. Like there's just no entry anywhere, bro. 1 minute mega dick pump. 5-minute mega dick pump. 15-minute mega dick pump. 30-minute Drake candle. That would have been solid, bro. Like the only thing you could have done probably is just taking a trade before the macro here. Could even maybe took this position at like 9:45 maybe. Oh my gosh. So we tapped into that 5-minute fair value gap. Y'all can see tapped into the 5-minute. Oh, candle hasn't even closed yet. I mean, it's just not, even though we did pull back, there's just not much other than ES filling these imbalances, filling the fair value gaps, but I want price down here. I want to take buys down there. I don't want to be targeting the freaking, what is this, 1R? I don't want to target a 1R, bro. Okay. Major sell-off. I don't know if we'll tap into this 5 minute right here, but we could. We might tap into that 5 minute. But as of right now, took out lower time frame market structure. Disrespected bullish order flow. Might come down, tap into this 5 minute right here. If we can get a bullish closure on the 5 after we tap into this fair value gap, then we'll definitely be taking our buys. Definitely be taking our buys up there. Right now, I'm ready to pull trig though. Ready to inverse a 1 minute. Inverse a 1 minute. Anything breaker block, order block, for value block. Order cock. I'm ready for anything, ready for everything. I'm ready for battle. Well, don't just go all the way the fuck back up. Like, give me something to do down here, bro. Don't just go all the way the fuck back up, bro. Just wait. So, ES right here is respecting this 5 minute right here, so we could get a bullish closure out of that 5 minute. But I'll just wait for a little bit. See how price wants to play this. See if price actually wants to, I don't know, maybe move efficiently, you know, balance, like fill this fair value gap. We'll see, bro, but it's definitely not looking like it. But it's all right, because we want to see price give us some sort of entry. We don't want to just buy in a random area. As you can see, it was probably good that price didn't, you know, fill us right here. I mean, we would have got to stop the break even before price would have took out that. It's all good. Is this inverse? No inverse. Only inverse is up there. But if we inverse that, then we're not getting an entry. Yes, respected that 5 minute pretty well. Could do something like this though. But then again, I don't love it. I don't like it. My only bet is to just wait for price to create some sort of better structure. Like if we would have inversed, if we would have held this fair value gap right here, created a fair value gap, we would have inversed it about right there, and we could have taken our position, but our stop loss would be ass, so we would have a 1R. I feel like it might be my best bet to take ES from the 5 minute, getting respected, because ES gives us way better odds. You know what I'm saying? Like if we were to take ES, then do something like that with our stop loss. I'd like my stop to be right there. It's just so bad, bro. It's just so bad. Just so bad, dude. And damn, that's not even like our first TP. Our first TP is like here. Like right there. So that's like even worse. Just waiting for something, bro. Oh, we're waiting for something. Somebody do something good. Somebody do something I can take a trade off of. A good entry, not just some bull crap, dude. Like, I'm trying to figure out what is this, bro. And then why didn't you fill this gap? Why isn't this gap on the 5 minute filled yet? We have an unfilled 5 minute. Then we have data highs right there and all of this liquidity. And you're bullish for the day. You want to keep going higher and higher and higher. So definitely let's try to make some moves to the downside so we can get an entry, bro. Like, come on, dude. I mean, I'm just horny to take a trade, bro. But I don't wanna see price keep going up and up with like shitty market price, like shitty price action. Like, this is toxic right here. This is toxic. You know, ES is being a good boy. Fill the fair value gap. Maybe we could do something like that. Respect the fair value gap and then continue to run in the direction, bro. Like, I would love to take ES, but the stop loss that I would use, I would feel comfortable putting it right here. I don't know about putting the stops right here. You know, it'll definitely give us a way better R, but like, I don't want to do something like that. And I also don't want to take ES. Like, maybe if NQ breaks structure, then we could. It's just so bad, bro. There's just no way around it. We're just gonna have to simply just go break even right there, bro. There's no other option we have other than to just go break even at those highs, but there we go. Just freaking dump, bro. Just freaking dump. So after we take out these equal highs right here, I'm anticipating that we're going to move up to this 15-minute. And I don't know if that's like too much. Let me see if I can find the indicator I'm looking for. Price range. So price would come all the way down here and then go out and take out all-time highs. What is that? 800 ticks. I don't ever use this tool, bro. I don't even know. But I just know it's a move, to say the least, bro. It's a freaking move, to say the least. But I think we can do it easily. If price wants to. There's just nothing here for us right now. No fair value gaps. Nothing. No fair value gaps. There's obviously a 1 minute order block, but like, bro, I don't want to take a 1 minute order block, bro. I'd much rather use fair value gaps to determine my entries and stuff like that. Inverse fair value gaps, it gives me a clear view, I feel like, other than a breaker or order block. I feel like the motherfucking order block could be getting disrespected. Maybe I'm playing them wrong, who knows what. I just much rather take a fair value gap. There's just nothing, bro. There's just nothing, bro. Like, what do we take a breaker structure? Stop loss there. Break even point and let price just run. I don't even feel good with taking any trades within price action that looks like this, bro. This is just god awful right here, bro. No expansion, no nothing. Like, what are we doing? Are we stop hunting? Oh, that's what we're doing. We're waiting to balance price action. I want price to tap into this 5 minute right here. we have yet to fully tap into this 5 minute. Yes, tap into the 1 minute. Just being a great boy here, but NQ is not making any sort of structure here. Like I already guessed, today could be a potentially high resistance day, just because there's like nothing to go for. Like London highs are taken out. We're just pretty much in the middle of everything right now. Like everything, all draws on liquidity to the upside and the downside. Price action has been doing nothing since fucking 10 yesterday, bro. Not doing anything. Almost for a full 24 hours, we have not done a thing. But there's some good areas to target. It's just not trying to go. And ES isn't reacting off of this 1 minute right here either. ES is not reacting off of that since we tapped into that. Yeah, we're getting wicks, but like the bodies tell the story. Right now, the bodies ain't reading right now. The bodies ain't talking at all. Maybe we gotta we gotta draw again. That's what we gotta do. How long has this screen recording been going for? My computer's about to blow up. It's been going for 30 minutes. If we're not doing anything by like 45 minutes, bro, I'm gonna just close out the video and then maybe start it back up whenever I get a trade. I gotta piss, bro. But price can fill the 5 minute, maybe chop a little bit, just a tad, for like 4 minutes. And then on the last 1 minute candle of the 5 minute candle, we inverse a fair value gap, giving us a bullish closure out of this 5 minute gap. That would be something sent from up above for sure.
Look like this on the 5 minute open, looking at VWAP and the block, honestly, but I'm gonna leave it as this for right now. I'm gonna open it up just a hair. I'm gonna go ahead and move that break even. Worst case, I've stopped out. Best case, we can kind of get a push through VWAP again. Nice. Barely took any heat on that trade. I guess right away I took 4 points, but 4 points for a 20-point winner. Just targeting yesterday's value area high with VWAP, psych level 500, volume 500, prior open 500, take the short there, give it, 10, 15 points for, I think I was 13 points technically, just above volume at 510, and then look for a baby.
If a Bitcoin was the size of a quarter, all 21 million of them would fit inside a single shipping container. But to fit the dollars the Fed prints on average every day, you'd need 72 shipping containers. Each year, you'd need 26,280 containers.
It's like a 20, 25 point range. I have not taken a trade yet. I have not seen anything that's worth taking.
Oh, bro.
Hopefully we accelerate one way or something out of this, or just open up the range a little bit. But it's big nothing. A whole lot of nothing for me right now. Doesn't that go back
Alright, we're gonna stop the recording and then come back whenever we take a trade. I might even just cut some of this crap out, honestly. Alright, so Price didn't give us like anything, bro. Price didn't give us anything good. Wasn't trying to take these buys right here for fucking obvious reasons. Just a shitty buy. This is a shitty day, bro. A super shit day. If we would have filled this 5 minute right here, definitely could have took buys all the way up here, bro. But I'm just not gonna take a trade where TP1 is at 0.9 R, bro. Like, that shit dead as fuck. So yeah, that shit dead as fuck. But yeah, I'm not taking any trade today. This shit is ass. I might come back during PM session if I see an opportunity, but other than that, I'm done. My phone is wilding with all these fucking things, bro. So I'll see y'all tomorrow.